If I've done that, great. Farm management and the AgriProve team have come and they've validated that measured increase. What next? There's the series of steps, and many of you will have seen this as well, so it's another recap. We go through the process where we consider, we create the offsets report for you. It's quite complicated. This is what involves the 85 calculations, the compilation of up to 100 documents. But the whole point of that is to establish a net abatement. Now, what is net abatement? And net abatement is that cycle that I've been talking about. It's the wash through of my sequestration after my emissions. So hence the answer to it depends. It depends on what the wash through is. If we consider that in a more holistic perspective, I might have invested a whole lot of effort into perhaps reseeding in new pasture. I've done a couple of passes with the tractor to drill that in. I've also direct drilled some nitrogen. So I put some diesel in, I put some nitrogen in. These are all emissions, and they're all going to create an offsettable amount that I need to offset against my sequestration. If I can't sequester enough carbon, I'm going to net off to zero. So I'm in a bit of a hole. So in simple terms, your creditable sequestration needs to exceed your emissions above your baseline. The whole point, keeping an eye on your emissions, helps us to monitor our efficiency of our inputs, to optimize or minimize our subtractions, and have the opportunity to receive the maximum carbon credits. There is a balance there. We don't want to just blow away all our inputs. Inputs are important, and you might get more from your productivity that you gain as well. So it is a balance, and this is why the portfolio in the platform looks at all of those different elements.